Safi sana, karibu sana mwacho matekele jideka chetekele gani jideka sana na vile choka chike chizi za tuchebona mambia magana majia gojira sinjira jobo ikirendo bona mambia na Ann Barongo. Igo tugenda tene chikwa na achiye masa ya mwacho matekele torino mwana siasa Samuel Kenani Omwando. Mwana siasa omogwatu mwana siasa bwe miaka ya kare. Na wale bego mwacho matekele ya studio uchage tukobodi kirogo kyoboraja se miaka ya kare na ndo obeto murai kare. Mwako 1997 ni wanda yumurai. 27 ya kare ndigo sengrasi nasari. Anyway, karibu sana umaraja sentunde ya kabere.
Yes.
Ono umanyete emyaka eri ya magati maitiaro tinga kichobora ibwa ubno momeya. Enjere town ya renga korekana.
The town was very clean.
Okay.
Mtu wabwate challenge ya se asa mangana yoko west, solid west.
Asiko bekwa.
Disposal. And mtu waringi negotiations with the Danida.
Okay.
Danida, I mean the Danish government. But was really a better recycling system.
Okay.
And before that, to Togakora our time, then a dispensation in county governments.
Okay.
Which we thought it could resolve a crisis here.
Okay.
To logical conclusion. Lakini tekoletivo, mpaka pone problem when we are 10 years down the line.
Ego adake etauni ya renge safi.
Very clean because to arego collect yogoto. Na ende inche no your mess very active managers. Va clean the town. Ya renga admirable. Na we the policy you will display clean. No go walk clean to a place you monta garbage ya ijoiro monta begede. Na authorize. Inchomo nyene. Monto yo rules war narangeria officers to the same area.
Okay.
Back clean the town. Again, it's to my surprise now many to leave that bile again in various points.
Okay.
Etadi konyara kurusu. Again to get the most glaring na mbanya konyara korosi disposal center. Now I had the advice for free. Na hindi na bonko ba irore over the radio again. Na garbage, we are all sources of garbage.
Okay, sure.
Intuna mwanya bantu. Na wherever we live, garbage go generate tole. Ne kere ko ba collected, dige wente ko ba collected as source, na ende ever disposed at the nearest point of source. That, what I mean here, a ward, a unity, a ward. A garbage go very generated here.
Sure.
If I'm going to identify garbage disposal point at the ward's level, ebe equal. Munabono, in the Kiss town we have two wards. We have Kitutu Central and the Kiss Central. We should identify garbage generated within Kiss Central, ebe disposed within Kiss Central. Nenya goba generated within Kitutu Central, ebe disposed at Kitutu Central. Eye nyatieko ebe disposed at nyatieko. Eye nyakoe ebe disposed at nyakoe. Lakini kwa nyakonyora, county government they go centralize. Inga garbage goba generated from 45 wards. Eirwe 1 point nyatieko. Batani nyatieko as a ward into a garbage collecting center. This is the you and the cry.
Ego tagete kugikiria magana ajo andake ngego teru sibwa sebo ya nyambira erunyetie ko for example.
That is primitive and backward to think like that you can generate garbage from everybody or you one place as abantu bamenyete. It's backward.
Okay.
So I'm saying let it be managed at source. Bona haye obuobe. E garbage ya mwono rente mwana. Garbage ya nende the mwao.
Kero mutabu ata sa.
Agora suppose mwai. Ya be excess to nyeire as itare common bunaje no buoge. This is what I'm saying in a nutshell.
Adake horu chinga kerengere kiriki abantu bari bense banyatie ko bari korame kapako tebanga ego teise
to koira gezo ende nyatie ko kwanza nse ito.
Ko munye bari ukana. Oso ukana se.
No. talia oya kanu nja kanu tu bonchari gesonzo nja kanu tu bo baasi tora ya kanu nyatieko secondary na ende neje kanu elsewhere unless ba kuchikobwati egento na batebi and I can repeat let garbage be managed at source.
Okay.
And for that matter, the smallest unity of source is a ward.
Okay.
So every ward to manage garbage yaye at source at their home, unless where machines have been installed.
Okay.
And the garbage you nero a raw material you go produce the wonderful woods. The near man go from where when you got the boy for that production.
Okay.
Lakini ndio sura atakao kwa lege ndege hao yetali ekyo na bako nyore problem ya bwikerenta.
Sawa sawa. Omurai.
Yes.
Tumati usinga kichiri kwa lengo mumeya.
Yes.
Ase semo ya kisi.
Yes.
Wasa abana abaro kukinga kibalenge. Anyway, siku hizi abana abaro kuyiba ichirolova. I don't know ngaki abana bambarengo oronye barengo ngakimwari kuba manage. Ase ngitonga siku hizi wamejaa sana. No bale bako sabere komchitauniga.
We expected the county government with the massive resources here, billions, mbanya korosia a rescue center, a home for the destitute. Abana we can classify them destitute. They are our children.
Ebono.
Na ende karuta recovery rehabilitate is a society doomed.
Okay.
We have space, plenty of space. Where hostels you went across you
ebono
abana bambai say in one primary school
sure
ekere primary kabire yeta iyo ebwata hostels ye boarding ya gajire wao si abana munabu it's an omission from managers.
Okay.
A serious omission from managers are not behaving responsible. Managers of the resources.
Okay.
The resources we the local authority. We started to build such a wonderful institution. Lakini 10 years down the line, a county government with those massive resources, they have not come up with a single primary school for the destitute, which has a boarding facility where abana bonds were housed. Abana banaba ito. Okay, instead this county government you could behave as people who came from God directly to join. They even condemn some other sectors of society. No, border sector. They look at it as a menace. Industry, occupy the abantu bande baito, bako make life. Instead, bako in to build that institution of border. Ebakunya condemn abana baby, abana bali chaotic, abana bakunya sole. They are branding them, and you go to them meet individually. They are responsible parents. The babuata abana in secondary schools and universities. Back from very responsible backgrounds. Of course, as any other society, but you cannot condemn the entire institution.
Sawa mwanasiasa Omurai Samuel Kirani Omwando toka ndarasa kaidhari kitamba mangana majago cha century hajo boy kanisa to chabona mambia baadaye tutarejea.